Hi there, I'm Stephanie Janiga with Janiga Group Home Sales. So today I've got 5 tips for you for how you can spruce up your house because it is the end of summer. So my first tip for you, and you should be doing this throughout the year, but it's especially important towards the fall time, is cleaning out your gutters. Get those gutters cleaned out so that when we do get the snow that comes and it melts, you don't end up getting a flooded basement from all the water pooling towards the foundation. So the second tip I have is to get your furnace cleaned, and don't wait till last minute when we've got like a 20-degree night. Go ahead and take care of that now when it's like a nice 75 degrees out still, so that if you have any issues, you can get those taken care of right away. Now is also a good time to take care of any last minute exterior painting that you may need. You know, take a look at your front door and see if it's chipped up or if there's scuff marks on it, or at least just the exterior paint around the outside of the house or the trim. It's tough to paint a house during the winter time because of the cold weather, so go ahead and tackle that right now. Another tip for you is to go outside and get those windows cleaned right now. You would be so amazed when you actually have really nice clean windows how much extra sunlight is coming in and how nice it looks to look out of those windows. So before it gets frigid outside, get out there and clean those windows. The 5th tip that I have for you today is go outside and clean out your garage. If you're like most people, you probably have a lot of junk inside your garage right now, and there's a good chance that one of your vehicles isn't fitting in there right now. So before we have these frigid Michigan winters, get outside, clean your garage, and let's get everything inside of it. So I hope these tips help you with sprucing up your house for the fall time, and if you'd like any help with more staging ideas or to get it sold, we would love to help you out. Give us a call at 888-98-HOMES.